Today on Cloud 3D Print, we will be printing and assembling a Nutcracker clamp. We use our software Cloud 3D Print to create a project named Nutcracker Clamp. Upload the file for the project and place the parts onto the build plate. Configure slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. Carefully remove the parts from the printer bed and remove any adhesion or supports. Assemble the guides with the nut as you see here. Then place this assembly onto one of the rails. Carefully pinch the end of the rails so that you are able to attach the rail to the clamping arm. Repeat this process for the remaining pieces. Attach the handles of the clamp to the arm. Just like that, you are all done. Twist the nuts to remove any fused material. Now for the test. Can we crack a walnut with a 3D printed product? That wasn't a challenge for the clamp. Let's see if we can break a piece of ice. clamp has passed the test, but not without suffering a few injuries. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Cloud 3D Print to keep up to date with the latest news about our upcoming software.